Easy to choose, easy to use, the new FUCHS small packs. Easy to choose thanks to new bottle design with clearly structured labels. Updated, premium look and feel. And images, pictograms, and lubricant quality categories. Easy to use due to new tamper-resistant screw cap. Improved ergonomics thanks to the redesigned bottle. And easier pouring thanks to refined neck design, grip area, or the two handles. Easy on the environment due to recycled and recyclable packaging, improved residual emptying, and CO2 neutral production. Easy to choose, easy to use, easy on the environment. The new FUCHS small packs.